guys, so I just opened this. It's wrapped in wrapping paper. I just take off and look what's inside. Yeet! Yeet! It's a doll, and it's called
What's the G called?
Funville Sparkle Girls. Funville Sparkle Girls. Fairy. So it got little clear wings. So next video opening it. Oh, I need scissors. Where's my teeth? Woo! Oh, look at the fairy. She's so beautiful. Look at her back. So beautiful. She got these little sparkles and the shimmery face, the wings, I like it, and the skirt. So look, her wings, and I really like her cover. See, is anything still there? And look at the background, it's so pretty. So I can still put this here. So she's a fairy. She can move her legs, she can take off her shoes, her arms wiggle.